Hey guys, and thank you for watching. I decided to do a video because I actually woke up with a bad case of hiccups, and I haven't posted anything in a while. So I got me some McDonald's. It's just a parfait. Oh my gosh, that didn't even fill up all the way. Can you see that? But yeah, as you can see, I'm in my car. But they didn't fill it up all the way. It's like tiny, like it's it's usually like blurring out. Should I like have this in here, over here somewhere? No, I don't. No, but let's get this. Let's put this down real quick. Open this up. Put that in there. Yeah, buddy. Alright. How do I... Did I even open it? I did. Yeah, I haven't posted anything in a while, so I thought it should be like something healthy. Try and get all of it. Like in there. Yeah, mix that up. Do you guys hear that crunch? Maybe I should film a lot more in my car. Looks pretty good. I got strawberry. Big bite. It's like $1.30. It's a blueberry. It's a pretty healthy morning snack. Sound like a raptor. Like a little, like, I don't know how, like, that's weird. Sound like one of those dinosaurs. Oh. Oh. I love fruit. Almost all gone. Just a couple bites. Last bite. Ooh, I almost dropped it. All gone. Clean up your mess. I love McDonald's parfaits. Pretty cheap and really good. I think I'll record more in my car. It's actually nice to look outside with how green it is. Alright. I gotta go try to calm down these hiccups. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And oh goodness. Oh, excuse me. Yep, I hope you enjoyed this video. I gotta go drink some water to calm it down. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.